reflecting back, I can see the faces standing around the marae Aotearoa, as these calls from our kuia and karaua, the call was going out to welcome all our manuwhiri. It was just a beautiful sight to remember. By the end of the day, it really was a sense of achievement, accomplishment, and relief. All our people, our marae, our babies, our mokopuna, our kuia, our karaua, they all got in there and signed that deed, and it was just a reflection of, once again, of those that had gone.
The Crown visit to the hospital to visit George Rangitutia. He was at the time the chair of the board. We had a tour over the kaimai and George Rangitutia was the bus driver. That was an awesome trip. Starting at that, we went up to the kaimais, we ended up over whare puhunga, went right around the Raukawa rohe. That was an awesome journey. That
he had a lot of emotions. That was a real big undertaking for our team. The logistics to pull off a iwi settlement was absolutely overwhelming. And so having all these, lead up to the actual date and the day, come the morning, it was actually like a big relief that we were finally getting to this day where our people could stand proud to be Raukawa.
Seeing the faces of those kaumātua signing that deed in their kōrero, walking up to the table to sign the settlement, the deed, that was very touching.
I think when reflecting back, Raukawa as a iwi went through a lot of significant milestones, and on the 2nd of June, that was just another jewel on the crown. From the beginning, middle, the end, across the marae Aotearoa, across the marae itself, and we were at Aotearoa Marae in the area of whare puhunga. It was a really significant day for us that day. And one of the things that really stuck out for me was the kōrero, so the manu that just kept flying back and forward while all this kōrero was going on. It was like a real sign that our tupuna were with us. We have these areas where we talk about our pauwhenua, and we talk about our whare puhunga, we talk about te kakaoro pātatere, we talk about maunga tautare, and we talk about te pai o Raukawa. Well, what I've seen and the growth and the development of that kotahitanga within our marae now, I believe it's always been there, but in those certain areas. But today, we see our whānau from whare puhunga and our whānau from te kakaoro come together. We see our whānau from maunga tautare and pai o Raukawa come together to celebrate, commemorate. It's not just only in our different individual rohe areas or takiwa. So that's, to me, as a benefit, that's the growth that I've seen in my lifetime for my people, for our people. Through that treaty process, if I might say, it wasn't about the individuals. It wasn't about marae, it wasn't about our hapu, but as an iwi collective coming together to work together for the betterment of all our people. That's what I see the benefit that's happening now today. Everyone had a part to play. Everyone's had their mahi to do, mahi a te mahi. Whether it was being a negotiator, whether it was washing the dishes after a hui. Everybody had a part. But I just know that all those ones that came on the journey even before we took over, all our kuia and karaua tupuna who had the foresight to actually put in a claim for our people. I just think of all of them. And to stay true with integrity for our tupuna was about honouring our past, to inform our present, to determine our future.